welcome back to my channel. I'm AmandaMuse and I take self-care very seriously. You know, in order for me to be the best mom, friend, businesswoman, I need to make myself a priority, and quite frankly, no one is going to take care of me but me. So with that said, today I'm excited to be sharing with you my top 5 self-care habits, and I'm excited to be teaming up with FabFitFun to share with you their fall box. So super pumped that they've been able to sponsor today's video, and they've actually shared a discount code where you can receive $10 off your very own box. More on that soon, but for now, let's jump into my first habit, and it might be my favorite. You know, I have been known to enjoy spending a little time and money on myself. Yeah, I'm not afraid of spoiling myself from time to time, and that has changed, you know, where I'm spending my time and money as the years go on. Sometimes it's tech items, sometimes it is like an activity, and other times it is products. I love me some products. So I was really pumped when FabFitFun reached out to me to try out their seasonal box. I was like, yes please. Because everybody that I speak to that is a customer of FabFitFun, like, can't say enough good things about the product. So let's jump into it, and I'll tell you a little bit more about their membership, but also I just kind of want to see what I got. So let's do it. Here is the beautiful box. All right, let's open it. Fall 2018. Get a little magazine. Tells a little bit more about the products. Look, I was like tempted, but I wanted to wait. Okay, we're gonna rip it open. I am pumped. All right, let's go through piece by piece. I'm already excited. Are you kidding me right now? All right, I'm pumped. Let's see what we got here. What? I'm already excited. Are you kidding me right now? I love tech things. So the first thing that caught my eye, aside from, okay, we'll start with what I actually started with. Oh, I'm very excited about all of this. I love surprises. I never get surprised. Glam Glow face masks, and I have to admit, I love that there are 2. This is the bubble sheet, oxygenating, thank you, deep cleanse mask. So I'm pretty excited about that. This one caught my eye, and I just freaked out. I love headsets. This is a Bluetooth headset, and it's in white with little pink on the ears. Sit around the neck, and you pop them into your ears. Let's see how they feel. They feel good, and they're cute, and they're white. I didn't realize there was gonna be tech stuff in here. I know that within the box there was beauty, wellness, fashion, and fitness, but I did not realize tech things. But I guess this is great for fitness too when you're working out. Wireless earbuds, kind of awesome. And you get the box 4 times a year, so it's seasonal, and you get over $200 worth retail value for significantly less. I don't want to quote the price because it does vary from US dollars to Canadian dollars, so check out the link below. But if you did want to try out your own seasonal box, there's a discount code. Use the link below at checkout, Muse, for $10 off. Let's see what else we got in here. Okay, we've got a Luna cashew butter filled fruit and nut bar. Ooh, salted caramel. I love all salted things. Next, okay, what's this one? Simply Whimsical, homemade pretty, a little towel. Ooh, are they little dish towels? Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I like that. Look how cute that is. And it's gray, and it's nice off-white, and my kitchen is gray. Well, you don't see the gray, but this like off-white cream color, that'll look perfect. I mean, who couldn't use new dish towels? What is this lovely item here? Skin & Co. Blue in Capri Shower Gel. Ooh. Alpine Rose, Sage, Wild Basil, and Autumn Blossom. Give it a little snuff. Most important. I can't snuff it. Is there like a little... Yeah, there is. It's very fresh and like earthy. The next one, Grown Alchemist. And this one is, ooh, that's a very fancy container. Polishing Facial Exfoliant Pink Grapefruit. I peeked the price of this because I was like, this feels very bougie. Like, what is this brand? This is $67 US for just this. This is more expensive than this entire box. Ooh, Crown Pro, 4 Pros, by Pros. Ooh, it's a makeup brush set. Let's take a look. I love makeup brushes. What do we got here? Oh, those are nice. Like a nice basic set of brushes. Let's feel it. How soft are they? Oh, that's very nice. Very nice. I will definitely use those. What's in here? Ceramic and stainless steel teapot. I like it. Let's take a look here. I'm not the biggest tea drinker. Oh, that's cute. But I could be swayed if I had something cute to make it in. Isn't that sweet? Oh, cool. And it has like the little, you brew your tea in here. Oh, see, I might actually be inclined to use this. I have a lot of loose leaf tea, but I find it such a hassle sometimes. That's really sweet. A little acrylic and stainless steel teapot. All right, I think we're coming to the end here. Ooh, love this. A beauty blender. Ayo. Beauty blenders are something that I buy like a few times a year. So this is something I already go out and buy, and I absolutely love beauty blenders, and these are like $26 in the store. So like this and this is like, all of it's more expensive. Anyway, you get it, I'm impressed. Last but not least, we have from Pharmacy, Do It All Total Eye Cream. Again, some nice fancy packaging. You know I'm gonna check the price on this thing. Oh, that is a fancy little container. An eye cream never hurt my feelings, that's for sure. It's very, very mild scent, if none at all. As we grow, ladies, eye creams become more and more necessary. I am sold. This value for the eye cream, for the exfoliant, all of that is way more than the cost of this box. So it's a win in my books. I'm about to jump into my other self-care habits, but if you are interested in getting yourself a box, there's gonna be a link below, and if you use discount code MUSE at checkout, you get $10 off your first order. Another way that I try to just really prioritize myself is incorporating exercise into my life. You know, I've never been like this big, you know, athletic kind of, okay, well, no, I'm athletic, but I've never been this like fitness fanatic where I need my body to look a certain way, or I need to be at the gym, like pump and iron every day, which is great if you want to do that in the healthy way. But I have noticed, just for like an all over self-care kind of thing, for my mental health, to tie into how I'm feeling physically, to getting good sleep, like all of that stuff plays into, you know, how you're managing yourself, and exercise is like another little cog in the wheel. Now this summer, I totally fell off routine, just having the kids home, having Dean home. It was a lot. But prior to, and now starting in September, I'm gonna be going at least 2 to 3 times a week. It makes me feel great. You know, if I can't get to my workout place, which I love going to, if there's classes, it's really like community based, which I love. I'll try to work in some yoga at home, and I like to just pop onto YouTube and find myself a yoga routine and just kind of hit it up in the living room. You know, whether the kids are jumping on me or not, it's just another great way for me to be like, yeah, Amanda, you're important, and exercise makes you feel good, so do it, you know? Talk therapy. That is a big one. I like the term talk therapy because it's not like you need to be seeing a, you know, a psychotherapist, psychologist, whatever. I think there's a lot of different categories, and I don't even know all of the titles of types of doctors or people that you can, you know, have talk therapy sessions with. But essentially, it's like, you know, you have a wellness check for your body. You go to the dentist a few times a year if you're lucky. You know, maybe you get an annual kind of like checkup, but why not kind of do a checkup from the neck up kind of thing? It is 10:20 and I'm running out the door to actually go to therapy. I'm good, but I just need to work through some stuff without just like totally making my husband my therapist and my best friends my therapy for me. So anyway, that's what I'm off to do today. It's important to do those regular self check-ins, and I don't know, sometimes people can impact you or affect you in your life that you recognize isn't healthy. And I'm looking to have some feedback in some areas, and so I'm really pumped. This is a new therapist, and because I don't go regularly, I don't have like a regular person, but occasionally I just like pop in and I'm like, let's do this. I really like it. Over the course of my life, when moments kind of called for it, I've sought out therapy. It wasn't something I could always afford, and there are lots of ways and workarounds around that. I don't know all the answers for that because I know it varies from country to country and even within your own country, like province to province, but there's definitely benefits you can look into. Friendship, it's one of my favorite things. Friendship is something I prioritize. I have had different groups of friends over the course of my life. I haven't always had the same BFF, and I've lived in many places, so that would be really hard to like bring that BFF with me everywhere. But wherever I am, I really try to invest in people that are friends outside of my family, you know, close network, because it just feels good. I feel weird even trying to explain it to you because you probably already know what I'm saying, but prioritizing my friendships, even in this busy season of life with young children, and I know some of you have kids that are younger than mine, and podcasts are my favorite. I love podcasts. I mean, I have my own podcast, P.S., in case you missed it, links below, called The Sandwich, kind of awesome. But I just love them. I like all different styles of podcasts. I love comedy ones. I love ones where it's like cold cases revisited. I listened to one that was like a series of 6 where I was doing a really long drive not long ago, and the whole time I just listened to it, and it's like talk radio kind of, right? Very chill. I love just like that feeling that can come over you when you're, it's very calming. I also kind of feel like podcasts are replacing books, kind of, in a way, and I only say that, I feel like I'm gonna get some comments about that. Here's the thing. I've always loved reading. I used to just like consume books like air. However, I noticed that ever since I had kids, which having kids and starting all of my stuff online, YouTube, whatever, all the social media things, it does not leave a lot of time for me to read books. So I find podcasts is something I can do while I'm doing something else. Like I'm cooking dinner, I can have an earphone in. I'm cleaning, that's my I'm always listening to some sort of podcast when I'm cleaning. And it could be like news, comedy, like just silliness, conversations, like long ones, short ones. I mean, I do not discriminate. And I guess it seems weird, but it's like, I don't know, and you'll have to correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel like a lot of you are gonna get this. But as moms, especially with younger kids, you cannot just take time and like go for a lengthy walk. It's been summer. Everybody's been home. And I feel like somehow listening to a podcast is like an adult conversation that I get to have while my kids are around. You know what I mean? Like I've tried playing my podcast on my Bluetooth speaker, and that's great too, but like in my ear, they can swear, they can be telling like horrific crime stories. You know what I mean? But I just love them, like obsessed. There are many ways to take care of yourself, and your ways may differ from mine, and that's totally okay. I think what it comes down to is making yourself a priority. So I would love to know, how do you guys, do self-care on the regular? What are some habits that you've implemented into your life? Leave me some comments below, because this is an opportunity to share, and maybe some people hadn't thought of your great ideas, so let us know. Now, of course, a big thanks to FabFitFun for sponsoring today's video, and don't forget, if you're interested in getting yourself a seasonal box, there's gonna be a link below. Use discount code MUSE at checkout for $10 off. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.